of Chapter 5, Display Definitions, Templates, and Profiles. In this chapter, we'll learn how to define templates and profiles. Templates. If you set a given chart template, including objects, color display, and added indicators, and you wish this configuration to apply to other charts as well, you should define a new template. To create a new template, click the Template button and choose Save Templates. Write the name of the template you wish to define and then click Save. For the templates you've defined to apply to new charts, you should switch to the relevant charts. Click the Templates button and select the desired templates out of the list. If you wish every new chart to open with the set template, save the desired templates under the name Default, D-E-F-A-U-L-T, and click on Save. Make sure to note objects drawn on the chart, such as trend lines, channels, rulers, and so on, will be saved in the templates, but will appear only on charts of the same pair for which the templates were made. Profiles. Profiles allow comfortable and organized work with groups of charts. The list of profiles appears in the File menu under Profiles or in the status line at the bottom of the screen with the name of the current profile. To define a new profile, click on the name of the existing profile, choose Save Profile, and then type the name of the new profile again. Then, make the desired changes in the various windows. The changes will automatically be saved under the new profile's name. It's possible to define a profile using an existing account number. Logging into this account again will automatically attach the new profile to the account number. We wanted to take a moment and thank you for devoting your time and your energy in studying the MetaTrader 4 platform. These lessons taught the basic and most important functions of the MetaTrader program. Now that you've learned the basics, you can explore the infinite possibilities offered by this program on your own time. You're welcome to contact us with any further questions regarding the program or any other issues you may have. We wish you great success and good luck in the trading game.